according to the schematics, the primary stabilizers are located up there.
Got it. I'll check for structural integrity first.
The moon is inspired by Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. Warm metallic tones and reflected light simulate an extreme thermal environment. This is a conceptual way of imagining how reflective materials could help regulate heat in enclosed spaces. The kitchen is designed around Venus, a planet known for extreme heat and pressure. Glossy surfaces and epoxy patterns mimic flowing energy. This concept illustrates how humans might adapt to harsh environments. Next, be carefully pour the contrasting turquoise and white paints. The bathroom is inspired by Neptune, a planet of deep blue oceans. Colors and surfaces create a sense of fluid motion. This is a visual simulation of how relaxation spaces could be designed in enclosed environments. The bedroom is inspired by Saturn, known for its iconic rings. The design focuses on balance and visual harmony. In space research, sleep plays a critical role in maintaining mental well-being. The common area is inspired by Earth, the only known planet with life. Natural colors and greenery are introduced to create a familiar atmosphere. This concept explores how natural environments could be recreated in artificial spaces. The entertainment area is inspired by Mars, a planet of exploration. Red tones and warm lighting create an energetic atmosphere. In long-term studies, recreation helps maintain psychological stability. And that's our imagined transformation of this abandoned spaceship. Well, at least in our imagination. In reality, I'm still here on Earth. No space station yet. Everything you've just seen was created using AI, inspired by design concepts of planets in the Milky Way. The goal of this video is to show real construction, but to explore an idea. What could human living spaces look like beyond Earth? Now I'm genuinely curious. Which one would you choose today? The Mercury living room, basically space island, or the Neptune bathroom, like a cosmic star? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Who knows? Maybe one day AI will build your own first.